Hey guys, what's up? So we are here outside the house. We're gonna make a fire pit. I made all this.
The fire pit's ready.
Look guys. I made the hole, the round thing, the sand,
You don't do nothing.
and the
Okay, make the fire.
and I'm gonna make the fire, guys. But first, I'm gonna go get the rest of the chairs for the kids to put around.
Welcome back to Family Alliance. I'm cooking s'mores. Hey, I'm crying Olay.
Yeah, she was crying again.
And look at my marshmallow. And look at her hair. My hair doesn't look pretty.
Yes, it is.
Turn around.
It is. Ellie, it's burning. Oh my gosh.
Take a small bite. Hey guys, I'm eating marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Yeah. And I drink it cold.
Andres. Ellie.
Hi, I'm Amy.
She's Amy.
I'm Amy.
I'm Mia. I'm Mia.
Family Ohio. That's right, guys.
Subscribe to channel.
Good job, Amy.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Don't subscribe to our channel. Give me a pin. Thumbs up.
Ellie.
Oh, does that all burn it? Hey guys.
Bite it.
Come. And guys, we have presents.
Bite it.
Stocking. We have Christmas tree. Yeah. Hey guys.
Okay.
We have Christmas tree.
Okay.
Well, I eat this one. We have Christmas tree.
like this?
Then eat it.
I dare you.
Eat it.
Mommy, can I put my
No.
Mommy, can I put my hand in there?
Go ahead.
Can I put my shoes in there? Puppy! God. Stop! His shoes.
Hey, yeah, strip right there.
There.
I dare you to put your feet in there.
Okay.
Your shoes.
Paren de hacer esto, se van a caer.
Are you sure all burn it? And that's what?
Yeah.
And that's fire.
Con eso está bien, amor.
Guys, look. Guys, look.
Mm,
Guys, look. Big fire.
good job. Turn it off. Ellie, stop it.
I'm gonna burn it more.
No, eat it.
I'm gonna eat it like this.
Eat it then.
I'm gonna eat it all burning.
If you don't eat it.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall here. Eat it. Guys, look. Guys. It's gonna fall here.
Amy, párate.
Guys, Elias's wrapping paper is golden. Andrea's wrapping paper is candy cane. My wrapping paper is snowflakes. Amy's wrapping paper is kisses. Mommy, he dropped it.
Ellie, I thought you did finish it.
There's two marshmallows.
No marshmallows for you, Ellie.
He dropped one of them. Hey guys!
One fell off by accident,
Look,
but he did
it's
that
a
one.
big jump. I do another one, last one.
Wow.
Can I do last one? Look guys! Look guys!
cuidado.
Marshmallows.
Eli, no más si no te los vas a comer, Amy. Eli. Eli.
Ey, para de gritar. Escucho todos los bailes.
¿A quién le dices?
No.
So they're ready to open their stockings. Amy, get your stocking, mamá. ¿Dónde está Eli, amor? Eli. Wait, mamá. Amy. Okay, guys, so we're gonna wait for Ellie because he's in the restroom.
I'm crying.
Oh yeah, she was crying, guys.
Thank you. Well, I'll tell you what, I think that
Le movieron. Ahí está el control.
can be there and the shampoos can go over there.
And maybe you can open up another store.
Oh, Jesus opened his already.
Bubbles and 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 bubbles.
Tell your mother. Your mom's there.
Baby bubbles all over.
It's gonna be great, Mom.
Que se lo des a tu mamá.
We love you too.
¿Ya estás dulce?
Obvio. Contrólate, ¿sí? Here's their grandma, their Uncle Jesus, and over there is his other Uncle Isidro, and Archie Yona.
I'm crying.
¿Por qué estás abriendo todavía? Estamos esperando a Eli. Okay, ya, ábrele. Wait, we're waiting for...
Te dieron $1, va. Me lo quedo.
That's for me.
Thank you.
Put it back.
Thank you.
That's for Malia.
Thank you.
The other one's for me.
You should have gotten a knife.
Eso los agarró Eli.
You should have got me a knife.
Can I give you a hand? Eli, ¿agarras tus esferas?
Sí, para ti.
No, thanks.
Okay.
MDR.
Show us yours, Mia.
I'll show mine.
Okay, Amy.
I got it.
A unicorn?
I put that inside.
Whoa, Amy. What is that? Minnie Mouse? Lip gloss? Let me see. Oh, wow.
Push pop.
It's a pop.
Crazy coincidence. So
Oh, these are stickers, and they glow at night. Oh, wow. $5? Whoa, Amy.
I gave you that. Chocolate.
A chocolate tree?
How about squishy?
Check. There's more.
Wow.
Show us.
Eyeshadow. And this should be me.
I did. Check. There's more. There's no more?
That's one.
Oh my gosh.
Te lo guardo.
¿Te quedaron bonitos? Wow, Amy. I think I'm gonna need that.
Let me see how much money.
Is there more? Ahí se te cayó algo.
Jesus!
Mia. It's Mia's turn.
tell me best man.
Ellie. Ese es de Ellie.
Yeah.
No.
Mira. This one stickers too?
Yes, those are stickers that glow at night.
That was meal. I got snowman.
Are you for real?
I got the same
Yes, you can open it.
The same thing.
Uh-huh.
Te lo guardo, Eli.
No se lo des a tu abuelito porque se va a
Red glass.
se va a llevar el Google, no se lo des.
Mañana lo vamos
Fine. All done.
Okay, and then it's your turn.
Oh, my pleasure.
Come on.
I'll open him.
No, let him open it here. Keep opening your thing. Candy.
Y le está esta por
I mean, I guess so.
What? Have you opened?
I like to see it.
¡Eh!
Glowing stickers.
What if I want to be more than friends?
Es para que lo cuelgues. Ellie, open your stocking, Papa.
Wait, today can we open the present now?
Open it.
You know, maybe a date.
La 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 la.
Wait, this one was the nutcracker one.
Oh, this is a la llama. La llama. What is that?
Those are glowing stickers.
This is llama.
Open it.
A ver.
Yo que llamas,
Glitter.
Glitter.
llamas aquí.
Open this. Can I put one present?
Ellie, those are stickers so you can put them beside your bed. Amor, apaga la luz.
Apágala.
It was from me.